Hello guys, I'm Rakseng. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert low resolution graphic to high resolution in Photoshop. So let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is a low resolution graphic. Let's see how to do it. First, we have to increase the document dimension. To increase document dimension, go to Image, Image Size, increase resolution like 300, 2000 white, then press OK. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. In this graphic, I'm going to use radius 5. Then we have to add contrast. To add contrast, let's use curves. Then adjust the curves like me. Now you can see before and after. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.